My name is Daniel. For the past 1 year, I've been making videos on YouTube. I'm motovlogging. I open my garage, get on my bike, put my helmet on, just go take for a spin and recording. At the first time I do motovlog, I just ride my old bike. And that is my 2011 Suzuki SATRIA FU150. I had a really nice warm memory with that bike. And by the time passed, I have the opportunity to get a new bike. And that's Alfie, my 2017 Yamaha R25. We had a good memory riding together, exploring new roads, touring, and get stuck in the traffic. At first, I don't have any friends that do the same thing as I did, motovlogging. My goal is just to inspire people by what I am doing. I just create a creative video as possibly as I can. And then, big things change. I made a whole new friends that do the same thing with me. We turn the camera on, enjoy the road together, capturing our moments in life. This 1 year is a big step for me. A lot happens, a lot changes, a lot friends, and a lot memories. Just like the humans say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And this is my year so far.
Gila rame banget pasar minggu pagi di depan tubuh pahlawan ini.
We are going to find out who will take the whole shot from the lights out. Oh, great start from the front three. All of them getting a perfect start.
Dari belakang seksi banget, parah. Bukan lu maksudnya. Lah. Yes.